In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3 integration exercise 3.4 question 1 part 11, and question we have to do the integration of x cube tan inverse x dx. Again, we have to use the formula u into v, means we have to solve this question by parts. But you have to decide which one you have to take as a first function and second function. So I told you that if you have the inverse trigonometric function, you have to consider as a first function u and the algebraic function is v. Right? Formula one more time I can write down for you. So it is equal to u derivative of u v dx minus double integral of v dx d by dx of u dx. So wherever we have u in the formula, we have to write down tan inverse, and for v we have to write down x cube. Tan inverse x integral of x cube dx minus double integral x cube dx d by dx of u, which is equal to tan inverse x dx. Why we are considering tan inverse as a first function? Because here we have to take the derivative. When we will take the derivative of tan inverse x, it will convert to the algebraic expression tan inverse x, and here we will use the power rule. You have to increase one power divided by same minus 1 integral x4 divided by 4, and for this tan inverse, the derivative of tan inverse is 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx. So we can write down tan inverse x, this is multiplication, so we can arrange it like this. Minus 1 over 4 is constant, we can take out of the integral sign, and then we have x4 divided by 1 plus x square dx. Again, this is fraction. See, the power of the variable in the numerator is greater than from the denominator. Then we have to reduce the power. How we will reduce? Again, I will show here x4 as a dividend 1 plus x square. So x square, it will be x4 plus x square, and then minus x square. So minus 1 minus x square minus 1. So how we can write down? x4 tan inverse x divided by 4 minus 1 over 4. Now instead of this, you have to write down this x square minus 1 and then plus 1 over 1 plus x square dx. Right? This one you have to show on the side, not in the question, right? You have to write down here direct this. You do not have to show this all procedure here, right? Only you have to write down instead of x4 divided by 1 plus x square, you have to write down this. So see, now we will do separate integration of these terms. How we will do? The first part, which is x4 divided by 4, tan inverse x will remains the same, minus 1 over 4, and then integral of x square dx minus dx plus 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx. See from here, this is 1 over 4. 1 over 4 is multiplying all these terms. That is why we will use this bracket here. And this one x square, we will do separate integration of these three terms, x square, then minus 1 and plus 1 over 1 plus x square, like this. So it will remains the same. Now question is very easy. X tan inverse x minus 1 over 4 will remain here. Here we will use the power rule, x cube over 3. You have to add 1 power and divide it by with the new power. Dx or 1 dx integration is x plus, right? Here is 1 divided by 1 plus x square, which is equal to tan inverse x plus c. Now we will multiply x. This will remain the same, minus x cube over 12, and this minus minus will be plus x, sorry, x divided by 4 minus 1 over 4 tan inverse x plus c, and this is your answer, right? Again, I will say that if any point is not clear, you can ask me. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, Saima Academy. Thanks for watching.